Hi mga ka-success, this is John Kalub, Philippines #1 success coach, and we're here inside the only 7-star hotel in the world, the Burj Al Arab here in Dubai. And we're here in the mini museum that talks about paano itong ginawa, yung grabe yung pagkakakonstruct nito because it's the most glamorous, one of the most expensive hotels in the world. Ayan, ikot tayo. Just imagine, 250 designers ang ginamit bago lang matapos ng hotel na to. And there are 3,000 companies involved in the reconstruction. Now look at this. Ang ginamit na 21,000 na Swarovski crystals. Alright? From the ground mezzanine, lift, lobby ceiling, grabe, di ba? And dito naman, makikita nyo, 24,000 square meters ng marble coming from Italy. Alright? Ang ginamit dito sa buong Burj Al Arab. And this is the, ito yung mga ginamit nilang materials. Ayan. 1,790 square meters of 24 karat gold leaf. Ayan, ang naka-embed sa walls ng hotel natin. Grabe, no? And I hope someday makapunta rin kayo dito at malagay nyo to sa bucket list nyo para you can attract this, alright? And you can manifest this as one of your dream destinations. Sabi nga ng Dubai, the bigger your vision, the bigger your achievement will be. So taasan mo na yung pangarap mo. At mangarap ka ng mas malaki pa para mas malaki din ang maabot mo. This is John Kalub, Philippines #1 success coach here at the Burj Al Arab. Always say yes to success.